Good morning, children. Today I am going to recall the previous topic, the skeletal system. Our skeletal system. A group of organ together with the previous particular function is known as the organ system. The group of organ work together to the perform a particular function is known as organ system. Is the definition for organ system. The group of organ work together to perform a particular function is known as the organ system. In the human body, the organ systems are different types. First one, the skeletal system, the muscular system, the circulatory system, the respiratory system. Next, the digestive system, the nervous system, the excretory system and reproductive system. First lesson you learn it for our skeletal system. Okay, skeletal system, the bones are give the shape and structure of the body. Okay, the bones are covered at the major parts: rib cage, skull, vertebral column, legs and arms and joint. All these are all major components of the skeletal system. Okay, major components of the skeletal system. Skull is protected in the brain. Protected in the brain. The bones are 22 bones there are 22 bones found in the skull. The 8 bones are cranial bones. 8 bones are cranial bones. It is protected in the brain. Inside the skull, inside the brain. Next one, 14 bones are facial bone. It is found in the face region. Okay. Next, the skull is protected in the brain. Eye socket. Eye socket is protected in the eyeballs. Next one, rib cage. Rib cage is protected in the heart and lungs. Rib cage has 2 floating ribs and 12 bow-shaped ribs. Bow-shaped. Two ribs are floating ribs. Vertebral column are backbone. Okay, vertebral column is the main axis of the skeletal system. For the vertebral column. It is protected in spinal cord blood vessels, and bundle of nerves. Two types of blood vessel. One vessel is arteries, another one is veins. Arteries and vein. Arteries and vein. Okay. The vertebral column can have 33 irregular shaped bone. 33 irregular shaped bone. 33 irregular shaped bones are found in the vertebral column. Next one, legs and arms. Legs and arms. Legs and arms. In another one is hands. Okay, another name for hands. Arms are upper limbs, legs are lower limbs. Upper limbs are arms, lower limbs are legs. Okay, upper limbs have upper arm and lower arm. Upper arm and lower arm. Lower arm. Upper arm have one largest bone. That bone name is humerus. Lower arm have two long bones and some small bones. Humerus. Next, lower arm in small bones are fingers, palm, or the lower arms have wrist, palm, fingers. Next one, legs. Next one, legs. Legs, the lower limbs, legs have upper limbs and lower limbs. And lower limbs. Upper limbs are largest bone name, one largest bone. Bone name is femur. Femur is the biggest, largest bone in the skeletal system. Femur is the biggest, largest bone in our skeletal system. Next one, lower legs, upper legs, lower legs. Sorry, upper legs, lower legs. Lower legs have two bones found in. First one, tibia and fibula. Tibia and fibula. Okay. Another small bones are toes and ankles are the small bones. Okay. Next one, joint. Joints are two or more bones are attached to the another bone. Two or more bones are attached to the another bone. Example for knee are the joint, and hip girdle, shoulder, knee or the example for joint. Joints are divided into hinge joint, hinge joint, pivot joint, ball and socket joint, ball and socket joint, bleeding joint. These bones are movable joint. Two types of joint, movable joints and immovable joints. It is not only little move for the immovable joint. Example for the immovable joint, cranial bone. Okay, movable joints are hinge, pivot joint, ball and socket joint, gliding joint. Hinge joint only move from only one direction. It is movement from only one direction. It is pivot joint is skull or the pivot joint. Next, ball and socket joints, it is ball and socket in structure. Gliding joint is move from free movement for the joint, fingers or the gliding joint. Today we are going to learn the second lesson, our muscular system. Our muscular system. Muscles are help in movement. Muscles are help in movement. Muscles are in your forearm. This one also fully muscles, this side. Two hands have a muscles. The side. Muscles mean the side. Okay, muscles are help in movement. To take the exercise daily, eat the healthy food, your muscles are strong and healthy. Okay, the muscles are 614 muscles found in your bodies. How many muscles? Only 640 muscles are found in your body. The bones are attached to the muscles. The bones are attached to the muscles. To help the movement. Muscles to help the movement. This muscles are also have the skin also covered it. It's the tendon. It is attached to the tough fibrous tissues. Tendon is tough fibrous tissues. I will draw the tendons. Tendon. This side are also bone. These are fully muscles. So, muscles. Look at these pictures, ma. These are muscles. This one bone. This fibrous tissue is called tendon. The fibrous tissue is called tendon. Tendon is tough fibrous tissues. It is attached to the muscles. See, It is attached to the muscles. Attached to the muscles. Fiber நூலிழை மாதிரி எதோட இருக்கும், தசையோட மசில்ஸோட அட்டாச் ஆகி இருக்கிறது தான் என்னமா, டெண்டான். The movement of bones, the movement of the bone take place through the biceps and triceps muscles. Movement of the bone take place in the biceps and triceps muscles also found in the forearm. The movement of the bone take place through contractile and relaxation of contraction and relaxation of muscle. The movement of the bones are take contraction and relaxation of muscle. What is the meaning of contraction? Contraction meaning shortening, the process of shortening or tightening. The process of shortening or tightening. The means for contraction is the process of shortening and tightening. The relaxation, the process of loosening or lessening. Loosening or lessening. Biceps muscles and triceps muscles. For example, when we pull our arms upwards, upwards, see the picture. This one muscles. When we pull our arms, the muscles on the front side of the upper arm contract பெருசா வர்றது. இந்த ஆர்ம்ஸ் வந்து இங்க என்ன செய்யும், பெருசா வந்துரும். அதான் வந்து என்னது, கான்ட்ராக்ட் ஆகும்போது கான்ட்ராக்டா வருது பெருசா. ஷார்ட்டனிங் ஆர் tightening for these arms. In the of the muscle in the and the back side of the upper arm relax. These muscles are called biceps. These muscles, lower side calf triceps are relaxed, the biceps calf contract. Contract for shortening or tightening. These muscles are told as what ma, biceps muscle or in front பக்கம் வரும், முன்னாடி வரும். இப்படி வைக்கிறதே ஆர்ம்ஸ் வைக்கிறதே முன்னாடி இப்படி பஃப்னு வரும், பெருசா வரும்ல, அதான் வந்து என்னது, biceps muscle. Back side coming muscle is triceps muscles. Okay, for example, when we pull our arms upwards, the muscles on the front side of the upper arm contract and the muscles on the back side of the upper arm relax. These muscles are called biceps muscles. Next one, triceps muscles. This side have a bone. Triceps muscles are big, contract. Biceps muscles are relax. This one have a muscles. This one triceps muscle. Triceps muscles or contract. This side biceps muscles are relaxed. Biceps muscles are relaxed. Relax. Okay. For example, when we stretch our arm downwards, the muscles on the front side on the upper arm relax and the ones on the back side of the upper arm contract. These muscles are called triceps. These muscles are called triceps. Thus, triceps, biceps and triceps muscles, biceps and triceps muscles move the forearm in up and down, up and move the forearm up and down. Forearm is up, down, only move the forearm only. Okay, next biceps and triceps muscles shorter arm and longer the forearm what do up. Biceps muscles to the triceps muscles also shorter and longer the forearm and next and shorten the length. The triceps muscles are shorten and longer the forearms are down. Okay children, thank you children.